Hello everyone, welcome to Edufy India. I request you all to kindly subscribe the channel and click on bell icon to get notified about new videos. My name is Himanshi Sharma. I hope all of you are doing good and safe at your home. Today we will see a beautiful story, Little Tiger, Big Tiger. This story is given in class 3 English book Marigold. In this video, we will see word by word reading of the chapter along with its explanation, word meanings and sentence formation. So let's get started. Little Tiger, Big Tiger. There was a mother tiger and her small tiger cub. They lived near a river in a shady jungle. When the sky was dark, the mother tiger hunted for deer and pigs. The tiger cub stayed close by his mother's side. So this story is about a big tiger who is the mother tiger and a little tiger who is a cub. Kids of a tiger is known as cubs. So both of them lived in a jungle near a river. The cub was too small in the earlier days, so only it's the mother tiger who used to go on hunting at the dark. When she used to go to hunt for deer and pigs, the little tiger cub accompanied her. When the langur monkey saw her, he called a loud, harsh call. Watch out! A tiger is coming! The sambar deer bellowed. The kakar deer barked, and sometimes the game got away. She hunted then for jungle fowl, for pheasant, and for frog, or went to the river for fish. But she did not hunt every night. So once, when she was going for hunting the animals, there was a langur monkey. He noticed that there is a tiger coming for hunting, so he shouted loud so that other animals could be aware of the tiger. Because of that, there was a sambar deer who bellowed. Bellowed means to shout loud. He bellowed, maybe out of fear. Then there was a kakar deer who had barked. So in this way, they have managed to go out of that place and escape the hunt. Now Mother Tiger decided to hunt for fowl, pheasant and frog. Even at times she went to hunt the fishes from the river. But she didn't used to hunt every night. If the moon was bright, the mother tiger lay down and waited for the dawn. She twitched the tip of her tail, and the tiger cub pounced on her tail again and again. So the mother tiger always hunted at the dark times. So if the moon was bright, she used to wait for the dawn. Till then she rested. She twitched the tip of her tail means she gave a sudden jerk to her tail, and the little cub played with her tail. If he went too far away, the mother tiger called him with a low, quiet grunt. The tiger cub came back, but he did not like to stay near his mother in the jungle at night. So sometimes the cub went far away while playing, but the mother tiger called him to come back. However, the cub didn't like to stay at one place with her mother all the time. One night, the mother tiger was tired and closed her eyes. The tiger cub saw a tiny frog hopping along the ground. The tiger cub pounced, but the frog hopped away. He chased the frog and caught it and turned to show his mother, but she was not in sight. Instead, he saw a tiger bigger than his mother near him in the jungle. So once what happened that the mother tiger was very tired. So she closed her eyes and rested. The tiger cub noticed a frog nearby who was hopping along the ground. He pounced upon it, but he could not catch the frog. He thought if he would catch the frog, he would be able to show it to his mother. But he was just not able to catch the frog. So again he tried to do so, and this time he caught the frog in his mouth. He was very happy. He wanted to show his mother that he has done his first hunting. When he turned around, he didn't see his mother. Instead, he saw a very big tiger standing in front of him. That tiger was even bigger than his mother. The tiger's green eyes glistened as he watched the tiger cub. The tiger cub was frightened. He could not hide or run. He let the frog hop away. The tiger crept up closer to the little tiger cub. Now the tiger cub got frightened because of the large size of the tiger, and his big eyes were all glistening upon him. He wanted to run away to his mother, but he couldn't run or hide. Even that frog got hopped away from his mouth. That tiger was coming closer and closer to that tiger cub. But a roar filled the jungle, the roar of the mother tiger. She faced the other tiger and he went away. The mother tiger liked to roar, a loud, big tiger roar, to tell all the other animals in the jungle that she was there. All the other animals in the jungle kept far, far away. So suddenly he heard a big roar of a tiger. Who was that? That was his mother tiger. She came here at the sight. She faced the bigger tiger, and because of that, the bigger tiger got ran away. Both mother tiger and the tiger cub love to roar aloud and tell all the other animals in the jungle that they are there. So all the animals used to stay far away from them. The tiger cub also liked to roar, a loud tiger cub roar, to tell all the other animals in the jungle that he was there. But all the other animals in the jungle were not afraid at all, and none of them ran away. So the little tiger cub also likes to roar, but no animal get afraid of him because he is very small. He wanted to roar aloud like his mother. But there came a year when the small tiger cub was a full grown tiger. He walked for miles alone, hunting for game at night. When he roared to tell all the other animals in the jungle that he was there, all the other animals in the jungle kept far, far away. And the great big tiger that had been a small tiger cub, hearing his own loud roar, smiled to himself. A great big tiger smile. So later on, the little tiger cub grew into a big tiger. Whatever he learned from his mother, he used to follow that. He used to go on hunting for animals in the night. Now, when he roared aloud to tell other animals of the jungle that he was there, all the animals used to stay far away from him. So that big tiger which came across once smiled when he saw that little tiger cub now grown up and roaring aloud. Now that little tiger cub who has become a full grown tiger begins the new journey of his life and roaring like all the other adult tigers. Now let's see word meanings one by one. First word is shady, meaning full of shade. In Hindi, shady means छाँव देने वाला. Sentence: I saw a man resting in the shady woods. Next word is bellowed, meaning a roaring shout or sound. In Hindi, bellowed means बहुत तेज शोर मचाना या दहाड़ना. Sentence: The wolf bellowed during the fight. Next word is twitched, meaning to give a sudden jerk. In Hindi, twitched means अचानक से झटका देना या झटका मारना. Sentence: Her mouth twitched after hearing the news. Next word is pounced. Pounce means to attack suddenly. And in Hindi, it means झपटना या अचानक हमला करना. Sentence: The cat pounced on the rat. Next word is grunt, meaning short, deep sound. In Hindi, it means भारी आवाज में बोलना. Sentence: The puppy grunts in hunger. Next word is game, meaning an interesting activity to be played with others. And in Hindi, game means खेलना जो सभी को बहुत पसंद होता है. Sentence: Indoor games are better than outdoor games in present days of Corona. Next word is glistened, meaning to shine with a sparkling light. And in Hindi, glisten means chamakna. Sentence: Her eyes and cheeks glistened with joy after hearing the result. Next word is roared, meaning a full deep cry. In Hindi, it means the harna. Sentence: the tiger roared in anger. Next word is pheasant, meaning a long-tailed bird hunted for food. In Hindi, it means एक तरह का पक्षी जिसकी बड़ी सी पूंछ होती है. कुछ लोग इसे खाने के लिए इसका शिकार करते हैं, जिसके कारण इसकी संख्या बहुत कम होती जा रही है. And sentence: the pheasant population is decreasing day by day. Next word is fowl, meaning a domestic bird for eating or producing eggs. And in Hindi, ये एक मुर्गी और बतख की तरह अंडों के लिए पाला जाता है और यह भी एक तरह का पक्षी है. Sentence: the fowls are birds kept as a domestic animal. So that's all about today's videos, friends. The greatness of a nation and its moral progress can be judged by the way its animals are treated. It's a famous quote by Mahatma Gandhi. If you find this video helpful, then please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel to get notified about the new videos. Thank you.